Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Dodge Durango. First, ensure your key fob is inside the vehicle or insert the physical key into the ignition. Next, firmly press the brake pedal. This is a crucial safety step for all modern vehicles. Then, turn the key to the start position or press the start/stop button. Hold it briefly until the engine fully engages. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a few seconds before trying again. If your Durango isn't starting, let's troubleshoot. First, check your battery terminals for any corrosion or loose connections. A clean connection is vital. Next, confirm you have enough fuel. A low fuel level can prevent starting. Listen for a rapid clicking sound when you try to start. This often points to a weak or dead battery. If you hear nothing, it could be a starter issue. These simple checks can often resolve common starting problems quickly. For more advanced situations, if your automatic Durango won't start in park, try shifting it into neutral and then attempting to start it. This can sometimes bypass a faulty park/neutral safety switch. If you suspect a dead battery, a jump start from another vehicle or a portable jump starter can get you going. Always refer to your owner's manual for precise instructions on jump starting your specific model, as procedures can vary slightly. Regular maintenance is key to preventing starting problems. Make sure to regularly check your battery's charge and overall health, especially before colder weather. Also, don't forget to replace your key fob battery periodically. A weak fob can cause intermittent starting issues. For more great tips and resources, check the description below for links to helpful articles and other deals. You'll also find a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.